Hello, friends. This is Chandrakant from Akulmek Technologies, and today in our tip section, we would like to discuss a uh, very widely discussed topic of how to use our mobile device, which comes with a very good camera, good quality camera, as our webcam. Because the webcam quality of the video is not very good. So when you are shooting a nice video, you want to use a party or some sort of an official video, then you are obviously looking for something which can have a high definition picture of you. And the high definition cameras are very expensive today. You will have to shell out a lot of money, a lot of investment goes into getting the high definition camera along with the cables, etc. So today we would like to discuss how you can make sure that you use the device which is already available, and how you can simply use it by not even investing a single dime into this activity. So let's discuss this. All you need is basically any sort of smartphone like iPhone or an Android phone and a PC. And you need to download a freeware software, which we will come to in a bit. But before that, before we proceed on the procedure, I'd like to tell you, friends, that in this particular method, which we are discussing today, we would need a Wi-Fi. So there are other solutions which require cable to be connected, and then USB cables, and then you need a bit of a controller to control your camera on the mobile device. But in today's session, we will simply use it open source or a freeware software to enable this. So to begin with, let me start sharing my screen. And as you can see, is the software that we have in mind for today is this software, which is called Iron, and it can be downloaded very simply by going to this website called iron.com. And then there are various versions available here. There is a Windows version, there is a Mac, etc. So once you click on this version for the choice of your platform like Mac or Windows, it will just download it, and once it is downloaded, you have to double click, accept the licensing agreement. After the agreement has been accepted, it will create a small icon on your desktop. And the installation is very simple. It will hardly take 1 minute to do that. And once you have downloaded it, the installation is completed, you will see this icon like here. And when you double click on this icon, uh, it will pop up this warning message saying that it is not able to detect the mobile phone. So I think the one part of the activity has been done. We have finished that. Now let's look at how do we put this application, the other client side application, on our mobile. So in order to demonstrate that, let me connect my mobile with my PC. And friends, as I said, you have to have a Wi-Fi installed in your home or your home office to be able to use this mobile device in this method. So as you can see, my mobile is now visible on your screen, and it is using the same Wi-Fi. The word of caution is that your mobile as well as your PC should be connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now we will go to the App Store and search for this same application called Iron. As you can see, it is available on App Store, but if you are an Android user, you can see it in your Play Store, and pretty much the same application is available. Since I've already installed this application, I just need to do open it. Installation is like a 30 seconds process. Just click on installation, it will install, and it will be ready to use. So once you install it and you open it, it will detect the session that you're running. And as you can see, whatever I'm seeing, it is showing the same thing on the PC. And boom, my mobile is connected to the PC, and it is showing me a live stream of whatever I'm seeing on the screen itself. So now, having done this, let's see how to configure this on on the PC. So we'll come back to PC and start seeing the PC console. So as you can see, it is now showing me the live feed into this application called Iron, the web client. And now here gives you a bit of features, like you can select the resolution of your choice. Now you need to remember that if you choose a higher resolution, the latency will also increase because it will take more time to transmit to your PC. However, let's select this resolution 1920 1080, which is substantially good resolution. Now we can see that this camera is now coming and streaming live into our PC. How do we use it now? So let's go to software like OBS, and as you can see, my camera is already selected. As you can see, I have installed it. It is selected Iron webcam. So it is already there as a web capture device in OBS. I can now play around with this. I can position it the way I want to position it. Um, and it's a high definition uh, video quality which I'm getting here. Um, in order to use it, you can buy a tripod like we have shown here in the picture. You can put a tripod here, or you can put any kind of fixature to be able to do this activity. So friends, as you can see, it is just a 5 minutes activity to convert your mobile, which is you have so much faith on, as your webcam, and you can simply use it without the extra expenditure of buying any cable or expensive cameras, high definition camera. You can use it your straight away your mobile as your webcam and make fantastic videos of your choice. Iron is not the only software available. There are multiple softwares available. You can choose whichever you want, and you can pretty much use the same method. There are several other softwares who follow the same methodology. That means there is a PC software which you need to download, and there is a mobile software which you need to download. Once you open all of them and you are connected on the same Wi-Fi network, you will get connected without doing anything. So friends, I'll end my video today, and hopefully you like this. And in case you have any suggestions or comments, do write in. I'll engage with you in my next video. Until then, I'd like to say goodbye for now.